Oh, he's a crap goalkeeper. He's a crap goalkeeper. He's absolutely rubbish. He couldn't save a Word document. He's absolutely shit. He really is shit. He should be saving that. And I'll reserve judgment, actually. I've just said he's a rubbish goalkeeper. But I think he should save that. I really do. I really, really do. He looks like he's moving in slow motion, you know? I might have got it wrong, but it just looks like... No, he shouldn't save that. It's a good free kick. No, I take it back. I take it back.